How to fix Roblox Error Code 277. First, if you're having any kinds of Roblox error, you want to simply close the app completely. After that, what you want to do is you want to simply remove your application or the game from your recent apps as well. After that, you want to simply swipe down on the control center and make sure your Wi-Fi or cellular data is turned on and is connected to a network that is actually working. After that, you want to simply tap and hold onto the Roblox game, tap on app info and go to storage and cache. Here you want to simply clear your cache of the Roblox game and you want to simply make sure that you restart your device once. Sometimes the devices might be at fault as well. However, once you do so and the problem isn't fixed as well, you want to simply check for any kinds of update if it is available or not on the Play Store. You want to simply open your Google Play Store, tap on search, and you want to simply search for Roblox game, and if any kinds of update is available, you want to simply update your game from here and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below and I'll see you guys on the next one.